Absolutely. Ooh.
Oh, baby, I'm looking at what remains. I couldn't tell you the same. I guess that's a lie. If you could tell by now, I'm hopelessly waiting all night to break through. Stuck in an endless loop of the night of truth. Asking why.
I think the fastest are around 40 minutes. I think 40 minutes is the high score. It's very close, though. Oh. Oh, really, Internet? That's awesome. Well, shout outs to Kiara. Wonderful voice. Awesome music. Very nice. Nice. Very, very nice. I freaking enjoyed that. Thank you very much for the song suggestion. That came out literally an hour ago. That's insane. Yeah. Shout outs to Kiara, always making the freaking absolute jams over on YouTube. That's so good. The Moondog, thank you for the 400 biddies. Appreciate the lahi. Thank you very much. Amazing cover. Thank you. That is literally the first time I've ever heard that because I don't think it would have been possible for me to hear it any faster. Thank you so much. And Salubrious Beats, great name. Welcome in. Yeah, this wasn't out whenever I started streaming today. This wasn't out whenever I decided to do an hour-long drum challenge later. Well, technically, I think it was out for like 10 minutes, if I'm not mistaken.